income is your job, you don't have a financial plan, but rather what you have is a financial gamble. And in 2026, that gamble just got riskier. Hi, if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, my name is Eunice and welcome to another exciting episode on Freedom Mama Hub. Okay, let's continue our discussion for today. Now, thinking about what's happening all around us right now in the world today, companies are laying off staff to protect their profits, and the prices of everything just keep going up. The prices of groceries, rent, school fees, and even gas. And this is a result of inflation, which is slowly eating up our salaries. Now, what about our paycheck? Does it also increase? No, it stays the same with little or no raise at all. Now, considering all of this, we find out that some of us, or even most of us, still hold on to our job as if that's our only safety net. But, Mama, one thing I want to say today is that a safety net with just one thread can snap at any time. So, let me ask you this question, and I want you to answer this question truthfully and honestly. If anything happens to your job today, what other alternative would you have to pay your bills? Think about your bills. What other alternative do you have to pay your bills? I will give you a minute to think about that, mamas. Now, here's one thing I've come to realize, mamas. The people who feel the most free are not the ones with the biggest paycheck. Rather, they are the ones with options. And when I talk about options, I mean multiple streams of income. They are the ones who've got multiple streams of income, two or three, and these streams of income are built and centered around the skills they've got. Now they have side businesses that pays the bills even when the job disappears. So they have no fear of the unknown tomorrow because they've got their safety nets in place. And the best part of all this, Mama, is that you don't have to quit your job to start. Now, you can build this business on the side with the skills that you already have, even with your full-time job and a family to run. All you need is a system in place. And that's why I'm hosting a free 60 minutes training happening on the 14th of June at 2 p.m. CST or 8 p.m. WAT time to show you exactly how you can turn the skills that you already have, your God-given talent, into another stream of income. No quitting of your job is involved and you not being overwhelmed. So the link to the training will be up on the description. So hurry now and go register and reserve your spot because there are limited spots and they are filling up so fast. Now don't miss out on this, mommies, because you do not want to wait till that layoff happens before you regret and wish you had started. Being financially free in this world that we live in today is very necessary and important. So please take advantage of this opportunity and be in charge of your financial freedom. Till I see you again in our next episode, take care and bye.